aching in my boots. Put a thunk in smoking a shit ton of weed would be so good for you. This year's been tough. We lost John Prine, Jerry Jeffers, Billy Joe Shaver too. Charlie Daniels and Kenny Rogers, just to name a few. And I tell you what, if you got soul, that Grim Reaper's coming after you. And sometimes I get the feeling he's coming for you, no. I tell you, someone's gotta be around to rock these cosmic country tunes. And sing 'em for all y'all whacked out Looney Tunes. We get together every Saturday night and take the weekly commune. Eat fresh pork rinds and drink $1.99 cherry red booze. It looks like you're stuck with us amateurs and now instead. That is all my honky-tonk heroes is dead. Singing hymns. Now all my honky-tonk heroes is dead. He seems like an okay guy and all. But does the world really need to hear another one of his goddamn songs? It takes 5 guys just to write one and leave it in there. That ain't that good. And what Gwen Stefani sees in that boy, I never understood. And Lord, I love Hootie. I'm glad he went country. I cry when I hear his tune. Yeah, but couldn't you have taken at least a couple of them damn blowfish with you? You've been kind enough to leave us old saintly John Prine. Take Luke Morgan or whatever the fuck his name is next time. And Lord, when I pray, I don't think you hear a single word I said. That is all my honky-tonk heroes is dead. Kind of had a rappy feel to a little bit. It was fun though. All right, cool, man.